for a mid-sized truck that feels like it was built specifically for adventure lovers, overlanders, and people who actually leave the pavement behind, this one's for you. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is finally stepping into the spotlight, and honestly, this might be the most purpose-built Tacoma Toyota has ever made. From the moment you see it, the Trailhunter just looks different. It doesn't feel like a regular Tacoma with a few off-road badges slopped on. The stance is wider, more planted, and more aggressive, like it's already halfway into the wilderness. The front end is bold and rugged with a unique grille design that instantly sets it apart from previous Tacomas. Everything about the exterior screams durability, from the raised ride height to the beefy tires that look ready for rocks, mud, sand, and everything in between. And then there's the Trailhunter exclusive touches. You get factory-installed armor, steel skid plates, and serious off-road hardware straight from Toyota. This isn't a truck that needs thousands of dollars in aftermarket upgrades before it's trail-ready. Toyota clearly designed this for people who want to drive straight from the dealership to the mountains. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where things really change. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter comes with Toyota's new hybrid powertrain. And no, this isn't about being boring or slow. This hybrid setup is all about torque. Instant, low-end torque, the kind you actually want when crawling over rocks or climbing steep trails. Compared to older Tacomas, this thing feels stronger, smoother, and way more confident, both on and off the road. If you've driven past generation Tacomas, you probably remember how reliable they were, but also how they sometimes felt underpowered. That's not the case anymore. This new hybrid system makes the Trailhunter feel like a serious step forward, especially for overlanding where power delivery matters more than raw top speed. Off-road capability is where the Trailhunter earns its name. Toyota worked closely with ARB to equip this truck with high-end suspension components that are tuned specifically for long-distance off-road travel. This isn't just about extreme rock crawling. It's about comfort and control when you're hours deep into the trail, loaded with gear, supplies, and maybe even a rooftop tent. Locking differentials, multiple terrain modes, and advanced traction systems all come together to make the Trailhunter feel confident in just about any environment. Whether you're navigating loose gravel, deep sand, or muddy forest trails, the truck adapts and keeps moving. Compared to older Tacomas, the difference is night and day. This one feels smarter, more capable, and more refined off-road. Inside the cabin, Toyota finally gives Tacoma fans what they've been asking for. The interior feels modern without losing that tough utilitarian vibe. You get a larger touchscreen, better graphics, and faster response, which makes a big difference on long drives. Physical buttons are still there where they matter, so you're not fumbling through menus while wearing gloves or bouncing down a trail. The seats are supportive and designed for long trips, not just short commutes. Materials feel more durable, more premium, and more thoughtfully chosen than past models. There's also better storage throughout the cabin, which is something overlanders will really appreciate. Everything feels more intentional, like Toyota actually listened to real Tacoma owners this time. Now, pricing is always the big question. While Toyota hasn't locked in final numbers yet, the Trailhunter is expected to sit at the top of the Tacoma lineup. That means it won't be cheap, but when you consider how much off-road gear comes factory installed, it actually starts to make sense. Compared to buying a base Tacoma and upgrading it yourself, the Trailhunter could end up being the smarter move. When you compare this to older Tacomas, it's clear how far the truck has evolved. Past models were tough, simple, and reliable, but the Trailhunter feels like Toyota stepping into a new era. More power, more tech, more capability, and a clear focus on overlanding straight from the factory. So if you're someone who loves exploring off-grid, camping far from civilization, or just wants a truck that looks and feels ready for anything, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter might be the one to watch. Toyota didn't just update the Tacoma, they reimagined what it could be. And honestly, this could be the truck that sets a new standard for mid-size overlanding pickups.